If you're looking for a drink that combines bold flavor, exotic aromas, and an unparalleled experience, chai tea tiger spice is the answer. It's not just tea, it's a sensory journey that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're a tea lover or just exploring, this unique blend will captivate your taste buds and transport you to a world of vibrant spices. Chai tea tiger spice offers something extraordinary. Unlike ordinary teas, this blend brings a perfect balance of robust flavors, sweetness, and spice. The warm, comforting notes of cinnamon and cardamom blend seamlessly with the richness of black tea, creating a drink that feels indulgent yet refreshing. It's a treat for both seasoned chai enthusiasts and newcomers alike. What makes chai tea tiger spice stand out is its ability to bridge cultures and tastes. Many people are on a quest for beverages that are not only delicious, but also meaningful and unique. This tea delivers exactly that. It embodies the tradition of chai while adding a modern twist, making it ideal for those who love exploring flavors that are bold and distinct. The tiger spice blend doesn't stop at being flavorful, it's also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it hot as a cozy drink for winter evenings, or iced for a refreshing summer treat. Its creamy, spiced profile pairs beautifully with milk or non-dairy alternatives, allowing you to tailor your cup to your preferences. Plus, it's a great companion for quiet mornings, afternoon breaks, or even after dinner indulgences. As you take your first sip, you'll notice how the spices dance on your palate. The subtle sweetness complements the spices perfectly, giving you a rich yet balanced flavor that lingers in the best way. It's not just about taste, it's an experience that engages all your senses. This is the magic of chai tea tiger spice. It transforms an ordinary tea moment into something memorable. If you haven't tried chai tea tiger spice yet, now is the time. Its combination of tradition, innovation, and bold flavor makes it a must-have for tea lovers everywhere. It's more than a beverage, it's an adventure in a cup. Ready to dive into the world of chai tea tiger spice? Grab your favorite mug, brew a cup, and let this extraordinary blend awaken your senses. Try it today and discover why it's becoming a favorite for so many.